Hello everybody, welcome back to some video tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert video to use for video analysis in Logger Pro. Sometimes, depending upon your version of Logger Pro and the software on your phone, the videos aren't always compatible, and you'll try to load a video into Logger Pro, but instead of seeing the video, all you'll get is a gray screen. If that happens, you need to convert the video to a different form before you drop it into Logger Pro. The software we use to do this is called Handbrake. It's called Handbrake. It's free, and it's a great video conversion software. So throw Handbrake into Google, go to the downloads, and you can grab the Mac or the Windows version. It's going to be a DMG file. Unlock it, install it, do all of that. Once you have that installed, we're going to open. Yes. All right. And it will prompt me to basically find the video I want to download. So if I want to convert this movie of the rolling ball, I will hit open. And then you pick the format. I would pick a MP4 file, depending upon your frame rate, if you know that. If not, just don't touch it. You can pick what you want to save it as. This is really the key thing. You want to make sure it says H.264 here. That's a compression setting or something. I'm not really sure, but I know this is going to work with Logger Pro. You can save it. You can pick the destination you want it to go at. When you are good with all that, you are going to press the start button, and it's going to start converting the video. So this video that I was using was a .mov. I chose to make it a MP4, and once it is done converting on my desktop, right there. Cool. And now it is done. So the video now lives on my desktop and it is an MP4, no longer the MOV. This will 100% work in Logger Pro for any type of video analysis. And this is just a handy tool and a handy piece of software to pick up. Thank you for watching.